Hi, welcome to another lesson for the Excel for Absolute Beginners course. In this lesson, lesson 12 of the course, we are looking at using special symbols and characters in Excel. So there are times where you need to insert special symbols or characters into your data in Excel, and it is in this lesson that you are going to learn how you are able to insert special characters like copyright, registered, and the likes into your Excel spreadsheet. So let's go ahead to work with this spreadsheet that we used in the previous lesson. To be able to insert a special character, let's say registered or copyright, if let's say I want to write some information here, copyright 2020 at oniaobed.com or copyright 2022 at oniaobed.com or any other information, but what is of interest to us right now is that special character. How do we get it? We are going to insert. So this time around we look for the insert tab. So go to the ribbon and look for insert tab, and to the far right there is symbol. To the far right we have symbol. Click on symbol. So here too you can get symbols for various currencies as well. So if that's what you're looking for, then you can get it as well to input. So there are a whole lot of characters and symbols that you can use, as you can see here. So all these symbols, if you want any of them, you can just go ahead and click on any of them and it will be put into the very cell that you activated before bringing up the symbols. Okay, so you can also find next to the symbols tab we have special characters. So if you are looking for any of these, for example, we have the copyright here. So if I select it and I click on insert, now I have copyright inserted into my document. If it is registered that I want to insert, I can go ahead and insert registered in here. So for instance, if I'm in Google like this and I want to have, because this is a company, I want to have the registered character in there, I can easily come here, because here we have, down here we have recently used symbols, but you can also go to special symbols and look for registered and click that. So you see that it has added a registered character to Google. This is how to insert special characters in Excel. I hope you learned something new from this video, and I also hope that you've watched the previous lessons. If you haven't done that, do well to watch the previous lessons to get a solid background in Excel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.